Hi Louise, I am back to show you a little bit more. So I showed you on Friday, Thursday or Friday, that you can change the dates for your module up here. And the module, as I showed you in the previous video, the links are over here in the table of contents. So your submodules with the items that you need to unlock for your students will work exactly the same way. So for instance, if I clicked here and click on edit properties in place, it's going to give me the dates and restrictions the same as I showed you in the previous video. So you should be able to unlock them here if there are dates. And if the person who created the D2L shell before you took over the class has set up some conditions, you probably can revise the conditions or revise or delete the conditions. Depends on whether or not you want to lock those things back up. I don't use this feature in D2L. The students know the deadline. I don't need to reinforce it by locking things. And so that's an instructional choice you have to make. I'm not sure how the item in the submodule is locked, but it would be changed the same way that I showed you last week. By changing the date or changing the conditions, and then when you're done, clicking update. And so I'll remind you that if you go to tech support and to the D2L instructional tutorials, that all the information you will need is here. It's not going to be organized or classified according to the search words you're thinking of in your head, probably, because the people who've created these instructor tutorials are using D2L terminology. So I just want to show you again. Sorry, this is taking so long, it's moving so slowly. If you go to content, it's going to list all the content modules, information, and there's the condition overview, how to set them up, how to revise them. And then you're not deleting a module, but we were doing, give me a second, probably under editing topics, because your topics are the items that you've loaded into the modules, perhaps setting them up in submodules. So I'm just going to scroll through here to make sure I'm sending you to the right place. I'm pretty sure I am. Yeah, so there's the edit properties in place. There's the date restrictions stuff that I showed you before. Yep, so here's all the information about dates and restrictions, due dates, end dates, the conditions. All of that will be covered in this part. So I'm in the content editing topics page. So that's just probably where you're going to want to look for more information, but just wanted to clarify that what I showed you in the video last week is in fact the same thing you have to do to unlock the items within the module, whether or not they're set up in submodules. Sorry, my voice is so messed up. I'm hoping to get my voice back over the course of the day. I hope you have a great Monday, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.